Hello everyone. Now we are going to start 21st to 27th November current affairs video. Topogro plus Bajaj Alliance to provide drone insurance. Topogro sign an MOU with Bajaj Alliance to provide drone insurance. Competition Commission of India approve FedEx India to acquire mini stake in Delivery Limited. Alexander Zverev on ATP Finals. Alexander won ATP Finals. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation Hardeep Singh Puri launch driverless train operation. Delhi driverless train operation. मध्य प्रदेश 1500 मेगावाट सोलर पावर पार्क ऊर्जा साक्षरता अभियान वर्गीस कुरियन नेशनल मिल डे 26 नवंबर सबा अल खलीद अल सबा पीएम ऑफ कुवैत Assamese poet Santata Tanti passed away in 2018. He got Sahitya Academy Award for his poem Kailor Dinto Amar Habo. Assamese poet Sananta Tanti passed away in 2018. He got Sahitya Academy Award. A.B. de Villiers, South Africa, retired. A.B. de Villiers, South Africa retirement. He achieved 150, 100 and 150 fastest one-day international run. Tenth International Day for Elimination of Violation, 25th November. 10th International Day for Elimination of Violation, 25th November. DG of UNESCO with 155 votes, 41st session of UNESCO. General Conference held in Paris, France. DG of UNESCO with 155 votes, 41st session of UNESCO. General Conference in Paris, France. Saurav Ganguly, brand ambassador of Magic by Century Limited, LED Limited. Magic by Century LED Limited, brand ambassador Saurav Ganguly. HSBC India launch first credit card, recycle PVC plastic to net zero 2030. 3.18 gram of plastic waste per card can be saved. World Bank plus 250 million. World Bank gives 250 million to Andhra Pradesh for education quality of schools and Anganwadi workers. ADB Bank gives $250 billion to Andhra Pradesh for quality of schools and Anganwadi workers. Cooking to save your life, Abhijit Banerjee. Cooking to save your life, Abhijit Banerjee. Union Bank of India, Capri Global Capital Limited. Union Bank of India, Capri Global Capital Limited. Rupees 10 lakh to 1 crore MSME. Rupees 10 lakh to 1 crore MSME. Russia, December for annual summit. Russia declare annual summit. 42nd Amendment Mini Constitution. 42nd Amendment Mini Constitution. Shaheen 1 is surface to surface Pakistan. Shaheen surface to surface Pakistan. 3-day Shillong Cherry Blossom Festival, 2 venues in Meghalaya. 3-day Shillong Cherry Festival, 2 venues in Meghalaya. First edition held in World's Lakes, and second held in Polo Grounds in Meghalaya. FIH Hockey Men's Junior World Cup, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. FIH Men's Hockey Junior World Cup held at Bhubaneswar, Odisha. 39 p.m. chaired Pragati. First Cyber Tahsil MP and easy mutation process. First Cyber Tahsil Madhya Pradesh and easy mutation process. Bank of Baroda raised rupees 1997 crore Basel III compliant bond. Bank of Baroda 1997 crore for Basel III compliant. ADB $300 million to improve prime health care in urban. ADB 300 million. ADB 300 million give for prime health care in urban areas. CESL Coverage Energy Service Limited. Coverance Service Energy Service Limited sign a letter of association with IIT Bombay. CESL sign an LOA with IIT Bombay to implement electric vehicles charging infrastructure across the country for electric vehicles. CESL Convergence Energy Service Limited with IIT Bombay and AV electric vehicles. Xi'an 11 satellite from Jiuquan Launch Center, China. Xi'an 11 satellite from Jiuquan Launch Centers, China. India developed 112 microloans microfinance plus report released by Equitas Small Finance Bank and SIDBI. Germany announced new development commitments over Euro 1.2 billion to India. Germany gives Euro 1.2 billion to India for clean energy commitment and climate change. November 21st, CCI approved FedEx India to acquire a minority stake in Delivery Limited. November 21st, CCI approved FedEx India to acquire a minority stake in Delivery Limited. India six most attractive countries for investment in domestic seed sector as per 2021 access to seed index released by World Benchmarking Alliance, which rank India's MyCo Aero second most attractive company. India ranked 6 most attractive countries for investment in domestic seed sector, and India's MyCo Aero second most attractive company. AB de Villiers, cricket player, 50, 100, 150 in one-day international cricket matches. He is from South Africa and gets retirement. Pakistan fire test Shaheen 1 surface-to-surface ballistic missile. FIH Men's Hockey Junior World Cup Bhubaneswar, Odisha. World Bank loan agreement with 250 million education quality school Anganwadi workers at Andhra Pradesh. We have already seen this news. World Bank 250 million to give Andhra Pradesh. Tata Power on broadband by NPCI Bharat Bill Pay to pay the customer electricity bill through ClickPay. Tata Power on boarded by NPCI Bharat Bill Pay. Tata Power NPCI Bharat Bill Pay to pay customer electricity bill through ClickPay. France India Air Force received 2 Mirage 2000 aircraft and inducted them to the Gwalior Air Base. UNICEF signed a line of agreement with the Department of Water Resources to develop water policy sustainable water construction in Odisha. UNICEF line of agreement with Odisha for water purposes, water resources. Cooking to save your life, Abhijit Banerjee. Moody's Investment Service projected India's growth rate GDP 9.3% financial year 2022. Andrew Azoulay, DG of UNESCO, with 155 votes at 41st session of UNESCO General Conference in Paris, France. Andrew Azoulay become DG of UNESCO. UNESCO has this is the 41st session. Mr. Amit Shah Foundation Stone for Rani Gaidin Liu Museum, Tribal Freedom Fighter. Amit Shah Foundation Stone for Rani Liu Museum in Manipur, in Lukango village in Temelgong district of Manipur. Temelgong district of Manipur. Rani Gaidin Liu, she is a tribal freedom fighter. Magnus Carlsen, world first chess player. He is from Norway. Magnus Carlsen, world first chess player. MP launch Urja Saksharta Abhiyan to spread energy literacy among citizens. Madhya Pradesh launch Urja Saksharta Abhiyan for spread energy literacy awareness campaign. Tata Group $300 million semiconductor assembly unit. Tata Group $300 million. Tata Group $300 million semiconductor assembly unit. ADB give $1.5 million loan to India to help government purchase safe and effective vaccine against loan. To purchase safe and effective vaccine against loan. Brand ambassador of Magic by Century LED Limited Saurav Ganguly. India World Heritage Committee of UNESCO for 4 years. India World Heritage Committee of UNESCO for 4 years. Equitas Small Finance Bank introduced Go Green promote electric vehicles. Equitas Small Finance Bank introduced Go Green to promote electric vehicles. Lachit Day celebrated by Assam. Haryana signed an MOU with National Institute for Smart Government to boost delivery services in public and private sector. Haryana signed an MOU with National Institute of Smart Government to boost delivery services in public and private sector. First private company to successfully develop a test fire and cryogenic rocket engine named Dhawan 1. First private company to successfully develop and test fire a cryogenic rocket engine named Dhawan 1. Yes Bank, Amazon Pay and Amazon Web Services to offer customer an instant real-time payment system UPI transaction facility. Yes Bank plus Amazon Pay and Amazon Services. Yes Bank, Amazon Pay, Amazon Services for UPI transaction facility. The 20th SCO Council of Head of Government Nur Sultan Chairmanship of Kazakhstan S. Jaishankar represent India. 20th SCO meeting held at Nur Sultan, Kazakhstan. Chairmanship under SCO chairmanship this year Kazakhstan. And S. Jaishankar represent India. And Mr. S. Jaishankar represent India. L&T Tamil Nadu government 90 megawatt capacity data center Kanchipuram over 5 years. L&T Tamil Nadu government 90 megawatt data center Kanchipuram over 5 years. Ministry of Jal Shakti launch River Cities Alliance. Ministry of Jal Shakti launch River Cities Alliance for Sustainable Management and Urban Rivers organized by National Institute of Urban Affairs and National Mission for Clean Gange. First ever Herbal Festival Tourism Kulagam, Jammu Kashmir, also known as Niagara Falls. First ever Herbal Festival Jammu Kashmir. First ever Herbal Festival Tourism Ministry by Tourism Ministry Jammu and Kashmir. INS Vela, 4th of 6 Scorpion class submarine Indian Navy under Project 75 at Novel Dockyard in Mumbai. INS Vela. Sabah Al Khalid Al Sabah, PM of Kuwait. International Day for Elimination of Violence Against Women 25th November. International Day for the Elimination of Violence Against Women 25th November. Goldman Sachs India's economy to grow at 8.5% financial year 2022. Mini Constitution of India 42nd Amendment. Food and Agriculture Organization released the State of Food and Agri SOFA 2021. Food and Agriculture Organization released State of Food and Agriculture SOFA report to enhance resilience of the agri-food system. Ahmad Nasir Al-Raisi, President of Interpol for 4-year term. Ahmad Nasir Al-Raisi, President of Interpol for 4-year term. An e-portal was launched by Ministry of Coal and Mines. An e-portal launched by Ministry of Coal and Ministry of Mines in 5th National Conclave on Mines and Minerals. First is which also saw SAIL awarded as 5-star rating under iron ore category. SAIL awarded with 5-star rating under iron ore category and NMDC receiving 9-star rating. and NMDC receiving 9-star rating. Andhra Pradesh repealed the Decentralization and Inclusive Development of All Region Act for the Capital Region Development Authority. Andhra Pradesh repealed the Decentralization and Inclusive Development of All Region Act. Andhra Pradesh repealed this act. CRDA Act. CRDA Repeal Act 2020. Andhra Pradesh repealed this act. Eat Right with Salt at FSSAI Office, New Delhi. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. Eat Right with Salt at FSSAI Office. Eat Right with Salt, with low salt. FSSAI Office, New Delhi. Alexander Zverev, tennis player, ATP final. Alexander Zverev, tennis player, ATP finals. HSBC India launched India's first credit card, Recycle PVC plastic, to support global commitments to sustainability and net zero by 2030. HSBC India, 85% of recycled plastic, and each card may save 3.18 gram of plastic weight. And each card may save 3.18 gram of plastic waste. HSBC India launched India's first credit card, Recycle PVC plastic. Jammu and Kashmir, Nirmala Sitharaman launched Tejaswini and Hosla scheme. Jammu Kashmir, Nirmala Sitharaman launched Tejaswini and Hosla scheme, a scheme for girls to start a business, and Shikhara scheme for the development of tourism, Tejaswini and Hosla scheme for the girls, and Shikhar scheme for the development of tourism. JP Morgan Chase top list of global systematically important banks. JP Morgan Chase. Union Minister of Power and Renewable Energy laid foundation stone for 1500 megawatt capacity solar power parks in Madhya Pradesh. Solar power park 1500, Madhya Pradesh. Urja Sashaktikarn program. Assamese poet Sananta Tanti passed away. He got Sahitya Academy Award. INS Vikramaditya guided missile destroyer into the Indian Navy at Naval Dockyard, Mumbai. BOB Financial Solution Limited launched a mobile first debit card. BOB Financial Solution Limited launched a mobile first debit card. One card to provide best in class credit cards to customer. One card. BOB one card. Collins Dictionary non-fungible token, NFT, non-fungible token. Collins Dictionary Award. Collins Dictionary Word. NFT word at the year, more than 11,000% in 2021. Bank of Baroda raised 1997 crore by issuing Basel III compliant bonds. Bank of Baroda raised 1997 crore, issuing 1997 crore for issuing Basel compliant bonds. Thank you so much for watching the video.